Welcome to eVadikai. Now I am going to demonstrate grocery application. We have a lot of grocery application in the screen. Now I am going to explain this any one of the stores. I am taking that Aishwaryam store as a today's demo. Once click the store, you can able to see that entire store products categories, their special products, everything in the dashboard. The customer no need to log in that to see the products and categories everything. It's open when they place order only. They have to give their login details. See here, if you once you can log into that, you can able to add your banner, then search, then you can able to see the categories. What are the categories you can add in that? You can able to see that when you click view all, you can able to see all the categories in one shot. Then if you go back and then if you see that, you can able to see the products. And if you we have the segments of products and offer products and best selling products. The products will be randomly will be display based on your settings, and then offer products, which are the products you have the offer, you can able to see that, and customer can able to see that. Also that they can able to see the what is the percentage of offer you can give. It's a 6 to 8, 23 to 31, so you can able to see that. Then best selling, this best sellings is our AI tool will be automatically which are the products are best selling, that will be automatically populated in the here. If you view all in the all option, you can able to see that what are the products in the best selling category. Also that we have that option for your customer can able to reach you through WhatsApp easily to any support or anything. Then with the menu, and you go to the menu, you can able to see that I'm logged in already, so you can able to see that home, my orders, and then quick order. This quick order will be helpful for the customer can place order quickly. Will be the drop down all the products and quantity, so it will be easy for them to place order for the multiple products. And then when this the my order, we have the option called reorder, because that groceries many people's are the products are same for that month on month, so we have the facility for reorder, so that it automatically when you press reorder, that all the products are to add the cart automatically, and then they can able to share that order details to someone else through WhatsApp. And then we have the profile nothing but their own profile. And then credit book, the credit book is this is a US unique selling products unique selling feature from eVadikai. This is like a wallet, how your customer can also able to earn some credits from your site, referring to some other people. So we have that referral you can set that what is the referral percentage you can give to your customer. Example, like if I am referring somebody to the Aishwaryam store give can set that 3% for me, every purchase making my friend, I can get that 3% of the purchase value, so that credit also added into my credit book. Also that if I'm making the payment offline, and then you can able to add into the credit, so it automatically added into the credit book. And then my referral, I can able to I have every customer have the unique referral code. Using the referral code, customer can refer to other person. So when other person registered using the referral code, automatically linked to that to myself and my friend. So when my friend is making a purchase, automatically get benefit for me. So in that now current scenario is nobody helping without without expect anything, so that scenarios got changed. So if you give something, you can retain your customer, and then you can able to easily you can able to increase your customer base using the referral one. The feedback and query is nothing but your customer can able to talk to you anytime using this thing. Testimonial, your customer can able to place the testimonials. These testimonials, once you can see that in your shopper panel, and then when you publish only, it got published. Wishlist is that which are the product I want to be frequently purchase or want to purchase something, I can able to wishlist and then log out. This is the major feature which we covered. If you go to the cart, it will be very easy to make a purchase. Once the cart comes in, you can able to just scroll down, and then you can able to see that pin code, and then choose delivery period. So when I want to deliver, I want to get delivered. So if you have coupon codes, you can generate coupon code and then give to the customer. Customer can able to avail the coupon code, then proceed to payment. After the payment, the success, the payment order confirmation message will come. So this is very simple and essential features which we have implemented in eVadikai. More features will be coming in the future updates. Please stay connected with us. Thanks for watching this video.